Hi there, my name's Lee from WowBBQ.co.uk. This is a really quick video just to show you how to fit the iGrill 3 with the new Weber Spirit II. Debox the components. As you can see, we've already taken away all of the protective packaging. You have all your bits and pieces that you need in here. Packaging may change slightly, but the components will all be the same. The first step is to remove this plastic fascia here. This is simply removed with two screws that are attached behind this pan. So to remove these two screws, you just need a Phillips screwdriver. These can be quickly and easily removed, like so. And the fascia will just lift out. The next part of the assembly is to attach the bracket which will hold the battery inside the barbecue. This is located on the right hand side of the frame as you're looking at the barbecue. This simply pushes in like so into the designated hole and then clips in. So the next part is to install this box which holds the batteries. This will go into the bracket that we've just installed. This takes 3 AA batteries which are provided with the iGrill 3. Okay, we'll just now put that inside, and this easily clips in, like so. Okay, and now we're going to remove the iGrill 3 fascia and simply connect it here. No screws are required for this, it just simply pushes into place. Okay, and now the final part of the assembly process is simply cabling together the front fascia, as so, with the battery pack. Weber also provides you with this handy little clip which can be used to retain the wire neatly inside the barbecue. So that's it, the iGrill 3 has been fitted on the new Weber Spirit II. All you need to do now is turn it on, hook it up to your phone, and you can get grilling.